Hello kitchen enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of amazing kitchen gadgets that you can find on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love spending time in the kitchen, these tools are sure to make your cooking experience a breeze. So let's get started! First up, we have a fantastic mixing bowl set with airtight lids and 3 grater attachments. These airtight lids are a game changer when it comes to storing ingredients and leftovers. The 3.5 QT bowl even has a removable lid inside the main lid, making it easy to add contents or pair it with your blender without creating a mess. But that's not all. This set comes with 3 grater attachments for slicing, grating, and shredding. Imagine preparing salads with the convenience of shredding or slicing directly into the bowl. Plus, the non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls in place, preventing any accidental spills on your countertops. And the best part? These bowls are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The premium stainless steel construction ensures durability, making this set a long-lasting addition to your kitchen arsenal. Next on our list is a must-have for every kitchen, the silicone faucet water catcher. Say goodbye to wet fabric mats and hello to a soft, reliable, and reusable solution. This silicone water catcher not only keeps your countertop dry but also serves as a sponge holder, dish soap tray, and a dish drying mat. With an upgraded design for efficient water drainage, this gadget is perfect for any kitchen sink. It fits faucets with a diameter of less than 2.36 inches, ensuring a snug fit. The size upgrade allows you to organize more kitchen supplies, making your sink cleaner and more efficient. Now let's talk about a kitchen essential, the bamboo cutting board set. This set of 3 boards and sizes offers versatility for all your cutting, meal preparation, and serving needs. The built-in carrying handles make it easy to transfer ingredients from